Welcome to our kitchen. This is the Galbani cooking series. I'm your host, Chef Marco, and we're going to be making delicious desserts using Galbani Ricotta. I'm going to make two that are going to wow your friends, wow your family, and make your kids really happy, especially around that bonfire. Do you love s'mores? I'm going to show you in a second. But donuts. Who doesn't love donuts? It's so simple, you're going to make them at home. We're going to start with a pizza dough defrosted. We're going to cut it into squares, smaller, cut it into 6 pieces. I think this is a pound. And we're just going to give it a quick roll. Now here's the disclaimer. Vegetable oil on the stove, very dangerous, very hot. Be careful. I know you want to get the kids involved, but let them fill the cannoli or fill the donuts afterwards, not cook the dough in the oil. It's very dangerous. So you just want to take them, pinch them, and just drop them in. So while I'm getting the donuts in the oil, we're going to do the s'mores cannoli. These are going to take about 5 minutes. You want to get them nice and golden brown. Look at that beautiful, beautiful ball of dough. Look at that. All right, so let those fry. Now the s'mores cannoli. This is one of my favorites, and it's really simple. You're going to take some fluff or marshmallow topping, and you're going to put it into a piping bag, or if you don't have a piping bag and you want to use a spoon, go right ahead. But we're just going to pipe it out onto our dish. And we're going to use just a simple lighter because I don't think many people have a torch at home. And we're going to toast our marshmallows using our lighter. So after about 5 minutes, these are done. These are beautiful golden brown. We just want to put them off to the side on a paper towel, let them drain, and let them cool because you got to fill them and you don't want to touch it right out of the oil because it's too hot. So just set those aside, and we're going to continue on with our s'mores. After a few minutes of using a lighter, this is what I came out with. It's a great marshmallow topping. It's got that beautiful char on top. We're going to put our cannoli shells right in that marshmallow, just like so. And this is going to give us a little balance too when we want to fill them. So I'm going to show you how to make the filling with our Galbani Ricotta cheese. So I'm going to split this in half. We're going to use half for the donuts and half for the cannolis. It's about 16 ounces each. This is going to be flavored with a little vanilla and some powdered sugar. A lot of powdered sugar. I love it sweet. Going to mix that up. You don't want to overmix because you can make the cheese a little on the watery side. So I'm going to use a pastry bag. We're just going to finish filling that up. Close that up. Take our cannoli shells and pipe in the cheese. Do one side. And drop out the cheese all over the place. Turn it around. So we got our cannoli shells filled. It's on top of our toasted marshmallow. I've got some hot fudge heating up on the top of the stove. We're just going to top that with some beautiful hot fudge. Who doesn't love hot fudge? Put hot fudge on a flip-flop. So take our graham crackers and we're going to crumble the graham crackers up just like this. Put those over the top. Talk about living la dolce vita. There are some beautiful s'mores cannolis. So our s'mores cannoli were an absolute success. It's going to be a great hit in your house. So let's get back to our donuts that we're going to fill with the blueberry ricotta cheese. I've got them cooled off over here, which is very important because you want to handle them and you want to cut them. So we're going to move them over to our cutting board. You're just going to pierce the donut with a knife, just like that, to put a nice hole in it so we can put our filling into it. So once I do that, we're going to drop these into some powdered sugar. Coat them real nice. Now here's a little tip. Take a little extra ricotta cheese and put them on the dish, and this will keep them from rolling around. You want to put the cut side up. If I can find it again. I know I cut this one. Didn't I cut this one? I did. Right. There it is. You want to put the cut side up and give it a pinch so you can open that cut just like that, creating a pocket. So now we'll make the filling. Gonna add some ricotta cheese. Now this one I chose to do blueberry. If you don't want to do blueberry, you want to do strawberry, grape, make it your own. Or refer back to our website, galbanicheese.com, and check out those recipes that we got on there for other donuts and fillings. So we're just gonna sweeten that up. And don't overwork the cheese because it'll get a little on the runnier side. Just want to toss it around. Look at those beautiful blueberries. I put it into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can absolutely use a teaspoon. But we're going to insert that tip. Okay, so now we're just piping the filling into these donuts. And you want to overstuff them because look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Man, I just love all that cheese just oozing out of those donuts. And just to finish it off, throw a few fresh blueberries right on top. I gotta ask you guys at home, have you ever seen love? Living La Dolce Vita, Galbani style. Look at these blueberry donuts. Man, so good.